Next type of container is a set. Next type of container is a set. I created one folder with a name as set. Inside that folder, test1.py. Set. What is the significance of set? That we will see later. How we have to represent a set? Through braces, flower brackets. Any number of elements can be enclosed inside a set. Set can be represented through flower brackets. Why do we require a set? That we will see. Come to the next one. One small observation from the previous program. In whichever order we are storing, in the same order we are not getting the elements. Order is not guaranteed in the set. Order is not guaranteed in the set. Come on. Order is not guaranteed in the set. Order is not guaranteed in the set. That is why indexes are not there in the set. Come to the test 2. If you run test 2, you will be getting an error. Elements are not indexed in the set. Elements are not indexed in the set. Element is not storing in the index. Elements are not storing in the index. That is why you cannot use index to read the element. Inside a set, indexes are not there. You should not use index number while going through set. Come to the test2.py. Sorry, test 3. Inside a test 3, we are trying to iterate elements of a set by using loop. We are trying to iterate elements of a set by using loop. Go to the next one. You can understand why do we require a set. Set is mainly for avoiding duplicates. Set won't allow duplicates. In the mathematics also, set is a meaning of unique elements, unique elements. It won't allow duplicates. Inside a set, no duplicates at all. Come to the next one. Set is not allowing duplicates. We know very well. In case of set, index numbers also not there. In case of set, index numbers also not there. Elements are not indexing in case of set. Because of elements are not indexing, you cannot use pop of 3. But you can go for just pop. Come on. You cannot go for pop of 3. But you can go for just pop. So while going for pop, 65 is removing. While going for pop of 3, you're getting an error. You can see. Indexing not available in the set. You cannot do any operation which requires indexing. You cannot do any operation which required indexing. We cannot do any operation which required indexing. Come to the next one. Test 5. We are trying to remove 3000. It's available. And also we are trying to remove 300. It is not available. 3000 is available. 300 is not available. Remove of 3000 is possible, which is available. 300 not possible, which is not available. Come to the next one. We can add the element into the set by using add function. We can add the element into set by using add function. add of ABC, print of X. We are able to add new element into set by using add function. Come to the next one. Find out, update. We have seen add function. We have seen add function. Let's see what is this update function. What we are trying to do here, we are adding four elements, updating a list with another list, updating X with a new list, whichever we are sending as an argument, updating X with a new list, updating X with a new list. In case of list, elements are not ordered. There is no like a order of addition preserving in case of list. That is why you are getting random order. Come to the 9. How to remove duplicates in a given container. It can be a list or it can be a tuple. Duplicates removing. The easiest way of removing duplicates from a list or tuple, convert into set. It will remove all the duplicates automatically. Then convert back into the list or tuple. Removing duplicates from a list, removing duplicates from a tuple. It's very simple. Removing duplicates from a list, removing duplicates from a tuple. It's very simple. Removing duplicates from a list, from a tuple. Removing a duplicates from a list or from a tuple. Use the set. Convert a list into set or tuple into set. Once you convert into set, all duplicates will be removed. All duplicates will be removed. Then you can convert back into the list or tuple. This is the API way of development. Programmatically also we can develop. That you'll come to know in the logical coding. While going through logical coding programming, you can come to know how to remove programmatically all the duplicates. This is the API level. Most of the interviewers are asking whether you know API properly or not. Set we know very well. It won't allow duplicates. Converting list into set. Converting list into set. All duplicates will be removing. Come to the next one. Let me run this one. You can see the last one. Straight away converting list into set. Then print the set. Complete duplicates are removed. We have seen three containers. List is a indexed one. Tuple. It won't allow to modify. Then set. It won't allow duplicates. It won't allow duplicates.